Hello everyone and happy Easter. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really simple Minecraft turtle eggs. In the past I have done chicken eggs and sheep and creepers and rabbits. I also did spawn eggs last year, but since turtles are brand new, I thought I would give them a try and they're so easy. All you need is some kind of cat. No, I'm just kidding. You need a cup. Milk Toast, move. You need like one of those little wax crayons. Milk Toast, move. A little egg dipper. That's some sand that I bought online. Some stickers you'll see. Some tea, some eggs, and some kind of container to put them in. You don't need a cat, but I recommend you get one. Fill up a pot and put it on the stove to boil. If you are young and you're not supposed to be using the stove, make sure that you have someone older who is supervising you. I recommend getting cage-free eggs if you can find them. You're gonna want to boil them for about 10 minutes and then let them cool. Meanwhile, I put some cardboard in my egg container to raise it a bit because I didn't order enough sand. I also somehow ordered like pure white sand. I don't know how. Any sand will do. Pour the sand in your basket, and then the next step is that you have to play in the sand because it's so much fun. I could just do this for the whole video. No, never mind. I'm gonna shake it off and get back to the video. Oh, but it's so much fun to play in. I can make little like turtle tracks. No, Stacy, focus. Okay, you're gonna want to fill an egg cup or any kind of cup with some warm water and then put in some of the tea. I'm using Earl Grey tea and I'm just putting in 2 bags of the tea. I'm gonna let that steep for about, I got impatient, so I think I only let it steep for like a minute. But you can, 2 or 3 minutes. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take the wax crayon and you are going to draw on little tiny squares, little tiny pixels onto the egg. And it'll be kind of hard to see because you can't really see where you put the wax, so you just have to kind of, in your mind, draw a little square. But what the wax is going to do is it's going to prevent the dye, or in this case, the tea, from staining the eggshell. So if we do this, we're going to have little white pixels, which should look really cute. So I'm just going to speed this up. I drew little pixels all over the egg. Then I dip the egg in the tea. Ideally, the tea should cover the egg. I obviously didn't put in enough water, so you kind of have to keep turning it. But you really just need to let it sit in maybe for about 30 seconds. I wanted it to be kind of light. Now that I'm looking at it on camera, it doesn't really show up that good. So good job, Stacy. But yeah, you could maybe soak them for like a minute. Also, what is my cat doing? Milk, do not jump down there. That's like a 2-story drop. Okay, yeah, thank you. Sheesh. Okay, once you have your spotted eggs, you're gonna take these stickers. If you look closely, they're spotted. They look better in person. I could only find circle stickers, so I am just using scissors. I forgot you also need scissors if you have circle stickers to cut squares in the stickers. I'm just gonna put those stickers on the egg, really anywhere except for where the white pixels are. You don't want to put them there. And that's really it. Like I said, this was a super easy one to do, requires very little effort, which is kind of like the DIYs that I enjoy the most. So you're just gonna keep doing that a bunch of times with the different colors of green as well. I put a turtle egg up on the screen now so you can see there they are. I put them in the sand. They usually spawn in like 1, 2s, or 3s. Remember, if you're going to eat these eggs, to of course peel the shell and the stickers. I don't need to say that, right? Do I need to say that? I don't think so. Look how cute these are! I'm so happy with my turtle eggs. Again, super easy, but kind of fun to do. So if you do these, make sure to send me a picture of them on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. The links for all of my social media are in the description below. But that's it. I hope you guys have a good Easter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. But until then, Paige and Molly love you. Go rescue a dog.